Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this candle to go ahead and tell you all about it, and that's what I'm going to do. I just received this in the mail. I have not opened it yet. I have not smelled it. So this is going to be kind of like my real reaction to it, first of all. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, take a look at it. Let's see what it looks like. And then I'm going to go ahead and light it, and then we'll let it burn for a while, and maybe I'll come back and kind of give you my overall impression. So it comes shrink wrapped. I took the shrink wrap off. It was wrapped really well. This is what it looks like. It's a nice little gift box. It's fairly good size. It's fairly heavy duty as well. It feels like a nice gift. This is the autumn evening in the mountains. Let's see here. After fresh rain in the mountains, bare autumn permeates evening air. Among pine trees, bright moonbeams peer. Over crystal stones flow water clear. So a little bit of a poem there. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. And, okay, so here's what it looks like. See, I got a little card here. It says Lemoy, and it says little instructions on how to burn it and just be safe. Oh, wow. Take a look at this. So, look at this. Okay, so the box is really great. Just the actual packaging is a wonderful gift. It's got like a 5-sided box there. It has like little padding in there to hold it. This is the candle itself. It is a beautiful black glass or black stone candle. I'm not sure which. This is not a sticker. This is a glass plate that's been put over it. And it does say scented candle Lemoy. Oud wood, O-U-D wood, but it looks nice. It really is pretty heavy duty, pretty nice quality, high quality materials. And it says here anti-dust film. Okay, there's a little paper here. Be taken out before candle is lit. Okay, so I'll take this out. Okay, and oh wow, I can definitely smell the rose, but it's not overly sweet. It's kind of it's actually a really nice smell. When I hear manly candle, I always worry about it being too musky and too like, whoa, you got an animal in here, you got a muskrat. This is very sweet. Maybe a little sandalwood there, maybe a little wood, little bit of musk. It's not real strong. It is not overpowering, but it is very nice. That's really a clean rose. It's a nice contrast between the sweet and the sandalwood. It's a good mix. It's not like overpowering either way. So right off the bat, I'm just gonna say right now, this would make a great gift. It really does present really well. The box is really high quality. It kind of sits in here nice and pretty. This would be a great gift for someone just because of the presentation. It is very heavy and it smells pretty darn good. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up, and I'll light it. I'm going to let it burn for a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and give you an overall impression, just kind of see what it smells like when it's burning. Okay, so I've placed it here on my shelves. I'm going to go ahead and light it here. Oh, okay, lit pretty quick. There we go. And it is burning. I'm going to let it go. I recommend letting it burn for an hour or two, kind of initially, kind of get the whole thing melted down. I probably should have trimmed the wick a little bit, but that's okay. We're going to let it burn. I'll come back and give you my impressions. So I've had this burning for about an hour now, and you can see it's barely even melted the top. This is going to burn for a good long time. This is a nice solid candle. It's not a cheap wax. It's a very high-end wax. It smells great. It is subtle, but it does make the whole room smell cleaner. This is a fairly big room. It's like 20 by 25, but you can smell it when you walk in. It's nice and clean. It still has that rose and sandalwood smell. It just smells really good. Everyone in my family likes it. It's a clean smell. It's not like a really musky again. It's a fairly clean, pure smell. This is a great candle, a great gift. It's high quality. It's going to burn a good long time. Nice, pretty flame on it. It just overall just looks great, and it's highly recommended.